Hello there, my name is Revas. I am a full stack web developer at Redberry. It's official Laravel partner company from Tbilisi, Georgia. And just yesterday I released the first version of my new open source project called Laravel. It is created to make easier development and maintenance of AI agents in Laravel. Just now, a few minutes ago, I tested it with a real Laravel project, and I just got really excited how easy and how fast was it, and decided to create this video for you to share and showcase all this. To be honest, it is my first video which will be shared in public, so wish me luck and let's get started. I just installed the new brand new Laravel project with the composer and got here the Laravel documentation to quickly grab everything we need. So let's start with the composer required maestro error Laravel to install. Oh, I also created blade files for prompting, which we will use later to not waste your time. So we got here Laravel already installed. We need next to publish the configuration file, which looks like this. You can check out the documentation for more details of how and what configurations you can use here. I will just move to the actual creation to the agent. So let's use the php artisan make agent command, and let's call it a pirate agent. It's just for fun, for testing. So let's go ahead and open our pirate agent, which looks like this, pretty much familiar for any Laravel developer because it's like eloquent models. So we have here two methods at start, and we have several properties. For example, model. I will not use GPT-4 now. I more like a GPT-4o, but I will use mini version because it's a faster and it is cheaper, of course, and so it's great for testing. In history, I will keep in memory history because it's the simplest one. It does not stores anything. It just leaves from start of request to the end. So it's a great for the testing. But besides this, you can use any other type of built-in histories like cache, file, or session, or JSON histories. Or you can create your own history. It's really very simple. You just need to implement two methods and push it here like some SQL history class, like something like this. Okay, so let's define some instructions. Let's say you are pirate and check out the prompt. It is a place where you can mutate the user messages for the agent. So if you need to add some context, like if you leverage the rug, for example, you can add it here. Or if you use some prompt engineering, you can define and pass this message to the prompt, which we will do now. For this, I already created blade files, and it's just was a great feeling that I can actually use blade for building my prompt. So this is a very easy prompt. Really, it's just a response mm, style should it be, and style, and yeah, we use this XML, so it's HTML like tags. If you are familiar with some prompt engineering, it's helps model to understand instructions better. And we are passing the message here to get to the model actual message we need, and we are including here it's just also for just an example, the short talk. It's another blade template which just says that talk with short sentences. So actually it just showcases that you can create any modular prompts and just build up in one blade file the parts you need, and it makes more reusable prompt templates, which is a great for me. It just was a great feeling that I can actually do this, and let's just use it as we use in every uh, regular controller. So make a prompt pirate and compact message. You can leave it like this, but for performance purposes I would just add render to get directly the rendered HTML, or in this case rendered prompt to the our agent, and that's it. I guess we can already start testing our agent. It is we can use interactive chat command for it, which is php artisan agent chat. Yep, and we need a agent name, so it will be start chat. Here's the histories key, which will be actually stored somewhere to retain the history, but in this case, since we are using in-memory history, it will just disappear after we actually exit the chat. So let's start chatting with our agent and say that hi, are you really pirate? Yep. It is a real pirate, and yeah, it calls me pal as we prompted here. uh, let's say I am interested in C. Okay, uh, so I am going through the C. uh, give me any suggestions. Yep, it gave actual suggestions. Keep your eyes peeled for storm, chart your course well. I can't read it normally. Okay, let's exit it. That's it. It's the best and the faster way to test actually your agent. If you have tools or some more uh, complex instructions or something, it's not a problem. You can just test it with this command. But to make a more showcase, we can see how you actually can use it in code, for example in your controller like here, and we can just return for method which sets a name of the chat history. For example, if you are using this agent per user, so you can diversify the chat histories by user, you can use something like this for user method and pass here actual user, and then make respond and we will need here a message. So uh, the another it's a shortened use, but we can also use it with chainable methods like message, and for example with images, and you will need to pass here an array of image URLs and so on. You can check all this in the documentation. For now I will use the for method with some static chat history, custom chat history, and we'll use a short version of response. Let's say hi, um, how can I become a pirate? Yeah, why not? Okay, okay, we need to start our server, and just refresh the page to get the actual string it returns. To become a pirate you need a few things. First, find a crew, a true pirate sails with mates. Yeah, nice. It works fine. Everything is okay, I guess. Uh, that's it. Thanks for your attention, for your time, and wish you a happy coding.